So, good morning Germany, and also good morning followers, likers, and viewers. So, kamusta naman kayo guys? So, approaching kami dito sa Kilkanal Lock. So, dito guys, tapos na kami dito. So, hintay-hintay na lang guys pag nagbukas na yung lock. So, going to Netherlands kami. So, ito guys, marami ditong barko pa naka-waiting. So, kami mga apat kami dito sa waiting sa entrance. So, after that, mga 30 minutes or more than 30 minutes, so, bubukas na yung lock. So, mag-proceed na kami. So, ito guys yung lock sa Germany. Yan. So, nakikita nyo guys, marami kaming katabing mga barko. So, waiting for open the lock. Yan guys. Okay guys, have a nice day. Bye bye. Keep safe always.